Morning. Morning, everybody. Welcome to our workout session. Running a little bit late right now, but we are here. Morning. How are you guys feeling today, Ninjani? How are you guys feeling? I'm feeling okay. I'm feeling a little bit sore because we've been pushing quite hard. After the workout here, we continue somewhere else. But I hope you guys are doing the exercises. Like I say, if you're a beginner, please know your limits. When you get to count number 10, you can stop and take a breath and you can continue at the next exercise. Intermediate, good morning, Ezzy. Thank you so much for coming to the live. I hope you guys are exercising. I hope you're feeling good. I know there's pain right now because we just started, or if you have been doing something else, this is a different exercise than what you're used to doing. So obviously you're going to feel body pain. Don't worry, the pain is going to leave. You can even take some painkillers, but don't overdo it with taking painkillers. Thank you so much for coming to the live. We're going to start right now. I'm just waiting for my light because I noticed that yesterday it was a bit dark. I dropped my phone, so my front camera lighting is not so good. Hi Miriam, thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much. Any feedback, guys, on the exercises? Just to let you know, I'm doing a lot of standing exercises. A lot of standing exercises because I want you guys to know that you don't have to lie on the floor in order to burn your stomach. Stomach exercises are not only the ones that you do when you're lying down on the are not only the ones that you do when you're lying down. You can work out your stomach whilst you're standing. We've been doing that and we are still going to continue doing it. There's a lot of things that we're going to learn from each other here. I'm just going to plug my light, sorry. Running a little bit late, sorry. There was a outage here. So, good morning. Morning, everybody. That's it. Let me reduce the lights. Okay. We're going to start. Let's jog on the spot. It's our warm up. Jog on the spot. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 1, 2. Good morning. 3. Let's go. 4. Thanks for coming. 5. Let's warm up, guys. 6, 7, 8. Run on the spot. 9, 10. 1. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 8, 9. Well done to those that are working out. 10 and out. Okay, today when we're exercising, we have one breaking exercise. Yesterday we were running on the spot. Today the breaking exercise is an abs focused in the stomach exercise, which is high knee. When I say breaking exercise, you move to the high knee. Lift your knee high and tuck your upper body. This is a workout, an exercise move for each of you guys. jumping jacks. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and out. Okay, we are going to stretch this way and that way. You put your body weight on the leg that is bent. You go down, down, down. Put your body weight on the bent leg. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2. Let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 8, 9, 10. Intermediates. Let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and out. Breathing exercise. 1, 2, 3. Lift your knee. 4. Squeeze your stomach in and hold it. 5, 6. Let's go. 7, 8, 9. Beginners, stop. 10. Breathe. 1, 2. Let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Push it. 10 and out. Breathe. 15 seconds. The doctor looks like he's struggling. Well done, doctor. He's pushing. 10 seconds. 5, 4. Back to jumping jacks. 3, 2. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And out. Back to body weight on each leg. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's go. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Push. 8. Woo. 9. And out. Breathing exercise. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push. 1. Let's go, guys. That's it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And out. Breathe. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Late but here. Well done. Thanks for coming. My Laura. Thanks for coming, Chennai. Hey. Roomby, thank you so much. Okay, guys, we're going to those butt kicks I showed you yesterday. You run on the spot, kicking back. Good morning, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's go, guys. 10. Push it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. 6, 7, 8, 9, and out. We are going to sit and lift our leg. Sit and lift. Here. Sit, lift knee. Sit, lift it up. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Sit down. Lift. Sit. That's it. 2. That's it. Up. 3. Up. 4. Let's go. 5. Whew. Let's go. 6. 7. 8. Let's go. Beginner stop. Let's go. 10. 5. 4. Push. 3. 2. And out. Breathing exercise. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2. Lift your knee. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is good for your stomach, guys. If you want to tell me to go down. 9, 10. Let's go. 1. Push it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and out. Take a breather, drink some water. I must come every morning. I will try. Unfortunately for now, I'm doing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. On Thursday and Friday, you can just go back and replay the other videos because I'll be doing something else. Hi Irene, thank you so much. Teza, Netai, thank you so much for coming. Take a small sip of water. We're going back. Butt kicks. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and out. Squat and high knee. Sit down. Lift your knee. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2. Lift it. 3. Sit. Lift. 4. Sit. Lift. 5. Sit. Lift. 6. Sit. Lift. 7. Let's go. 8. Let's go. 9. 10. Woo. 5. 4. 3. 2. Woo. And out. Woo, guys. My thighs are burning. High knee, breaking exercise. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Push, guys. 10. Beginner stop. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and out. Breathe. Sokostina, thank you so much for coming. Hi, Shami Shami. Welcome. 5 a.m. Okay, I will switch the times. One day I'll do 5, one day I'll do 6. I'll announce on the page. Thank you so much for coming. Irene, yes, you can always do it when you come back from work. Just rewind and do the workout with us. Today, as you can see, I'm not using much equipment. I want you to see that even if you're without equipment, you can train and you can get your heart rate up. The aim is to get your heart rate up. We want to get our heart rate up so our whole body systems are working properly. I don't want to get too much technical with this whole thing, but when you put your heart rate up regularly for a minimum of 30 minutes a day, it helps recover anything that is not working properly in your whole body system. Putting your heart rate up for 30 minutes or so every day assists with healing of your inner system, digestive system, cardiovascular system, which is breathing system, and all that. Okay. All right, guys. We are going to touch the floor. This is not a squat. Your feet are not too far apart, and you bend over and jump. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! Now let's push it. 10. Intermediate and beginners. Know your limits. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and out. Okay, now we are going to sit, come up halfway, sit, come up halfway. Half squat. I'm going to put on my belt, guys. As I said, this is a waist trainer. It's not for making your stomach flat. It does not make your stomach flat. To be honest with you, I'm not going to lie to you so I can sell you waist trainers and say they're going to make your stomach flat. They will help you keep your stomach muscles tight. And the reason why I'm wearing mine is because I don't want to burn my lower back. It's lower back support. We're going to sit, come up halfway, sit, halfway. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push your bum back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! 6. Burn it. much for coming. Thank you so much. My Laura and Shamisa Shami. I hope you're training, guys. I hope you're training with us. Okay, touch the floor and jump. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and out. Huh? Good. Yeah. Squat bounce. Squat and hold halfway. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and out. High knee back. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1. Lift your knee. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. 6, 7, 8. Let's go. 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and out. Woo, guys, I'm dying. High knee. 3, 2, 1. Breaking exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the dressing table. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's go. 10 and out. Breathe, guys. My creep. I love this. My kid, right English. As video podcast. Guys, I'm burning. I've got asthma. I still exercise. My husband's gone to get my asthma pump. I forgot to use it before I started exercising. Just because you got asthma doesn't mean you can't exercise. You see, here I am training. I train every morning. It actually helps me to not suffer too much. That whole thing that I can't go up and down the stairs because I got asthma. It doesn't happen to me. I can run. I run 10 kilometers. I run frequently. I exercise, as you can see here, frequently. But I'm starting to feel my chest a bit tight. You see, so even if you have asthma, this is my asthma pump. I'm feeling a bit tight. Jog on the squat. Jog on the squat with my steady. Let's go, guys. Jog on the squat with my steady, guys. I'm just trying to loosen my chest a bit. I forgot to take my medication before I started exercising. So that's another thing that's important, that you don't have to let an illness stop you. And you say, I can't exercise because I got this, I can't exercise, I got that. I'm living proof right in front of you guys. You saw I got asthma, but you see me exercising here. Anyone can exercise. Even when you have high blood pressure, you can still exercise. You just take it easy. When your blood pressure is too high, when the doctor says your blood pressure is too high, you don't do too intense exercise. You go out and you walk. You increase your speed to like brisk walk, and then you feel how that's feeling, reduce speed, increase, reduce speed. It will actually help you to break that barrier of feeling like you can't exercise. Jogging on the spot with Matideti. Let's go. Let's go. Let's push. We are in our last 5 minutes of our workout. Let's go. Let's jog. We know where we're going. Visualize where you're going. Okay? Visualize. If you stay in an area and you like going to the Woolworths over there, you visualize, I'm going to Woolworths. You're running on the spot. There's some people that feel uncomfortable with running on the road because they feel like people are looking at them. You can run on the spot. Let's go. Run. Push. Give it your all. Let's go. Give it your all. Let's go. Okay, now we are going into jump rope simulations. Those like me that don't like skipping. I don't skip with the skipping rope. I skip simulations. This is jump rope simulation. I act like I've got a skipping rope. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2. Very good for dropping weights. 3, 4. You know boxers do a lot of skipping because it's one of the fastest ways to drop 2 to 3 kilograms in a week even. 3, 2, 1. Thank you for the likes, guys. Let's go. Skip. Let's go. Skip. Ha. Skip, guys. Let's go. Skip. Breathe. Take deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Let's go. Skip. My feet. Thank you so much. I'm okay. I'm feeling much better. I just had to take it a bit easier. I should have taken my medication, but I was running late and I didn't want to let people down. Skip. Let's go. We are skipping. Let's go, let's go. Push, guys. Your body is warm enough to do this. Continue. Okay. We're going back to breaking exercise. High knee. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push, guys. This is for your stomach this year. Belly fat. 7, 8, 9, 10. And out. One more exercise for belly fat. You want to burn your stomach. You feel like your belly is too big. I'm dropping my camera so you can see me. Okay. We are going to go down on your step or tire, and we will run like you're climbing a mountain. Push. 1, 2. These are called mountain climbers. 3, 4, 5. Let's go. 6. Push. 7, 8. Beginner stop. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 8, 9, and out. Woo. Breathe. That is a belly fat burning exercise. 3, 2, 1. Breaking exercise. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push. 5, 7, 8, let's go. 9, 10, 1, let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, let's go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and out. Back to the ties. Mountain climbers. Belly flat exercise. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and out. Woo! That's it for you guys for today. That's it for you guys for today. Okay? That's it for you for today. I need to bring my camera up. Sorry. Well done to everybody that did the workout. It was not easy. We pushed. Kayan. Let's be appropriate. Let's be appropriate, Kayan. Nerrisa, thank you so much for coming. So, I will not be here tomorrow, but what you can do is you can rewind the workouts that we did Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and do those instead. Currently, the arrangement is for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I will let you know if I can come 5 o'clock or 5:30 on Thursday and Friday. Let me just check my schedule and check with the clients that I will be with if they're okay with being on camera. Then I will let you guys know. Well done, everybody, for doing the exercise. Make it 5, please. Alice, definitely will make a plan for that. I just have to ask, Popia Act. We can't just put people on camera without their consent. So I will let you guys know. Mercy, thank you so much for coming. Thank you, everybody, for coming. Thank you, SIS MELLY, for affording us this platform so we can get fit and get healthy. We are here to work on our fitness first for those that want to build their bodies. If you want to do targeted body exercise, like those people that say they want to build their legs to be tough like my legs, those people that want to work on their stomachs, those people that want to do targeted body exercises, please inbox me. My name is Nerrisa Body Beat. I will actually put that on the topic of the live. You can inbox me, you can WhatsApp me. My number is in my bio, and we can talk. I do online sessions, I do face-to-face. I live in Randburg in South Africa, so you let me know. Thank you so much. Well, you're welcome, guys. I will see you guys on the next one. Goodbye. I'm going live on my page now for those that want to follow.